In this video, we will study about heart and its functions. In movies and cartoons, the heart is represented by this symbol. But in reality, the human heart doesn't look like this. Instead, it looks like this. Your heart is a vital organ. It is a muscle that pumps blood to all parts of your body. The blood pumped by your heart provides your body with oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. Your heart is about the size of a clenched fist and weighs between 300 and 450 grams. It lies in the middle of your chest, behind and slightly to the left of your breastbone. Human heart has 4 chambers. Human heart has a right and left side separated by a wall called the septum. On each side of the wall, there is a small collecting chamber called an atrium, which leads to a large pumping chamber called a ventricle. There are 4 chambers. The upper chambers have left atrium and right atrium, and the lower chambers have the left ventricle and right ventricle. The atria receive blood, while the ventricles pump blood to the lungs and the rest of the body. Now let's see what are the functions of atria. Right atrium receives oxygen-poor blood from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. Left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. Functions of ventricles. Right ventricle pumps oxygen-poor blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. Left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body through the aorta. Now let's see how these 4 chambers work together. You can think of your heart as one big team. The chambers work with each other and other parts of your heart, like your valves and arteries, to keep your heart pumping. Your right atrium kicks off the action by taking in all the oxygen-poor blood from your body. Blood enters through 2 large veins called your superior vena cava and your inferior vena cava. Your right atrium takes this blood and passes it on to the next player, your right ventricle. Blood from your right atrium passes through your tricuspid valve into your right ventricle. Your right ventricle quickly goes into action by forcefully pumping this blood through your pulmonary valve into your pulmonary arteries and out to your lungs. In your lungs, your blood receives the oxygen it needs to nourish the rest of your body. Then, replenished and ready to continue its journey, the blood travels through your pulmonary veins back to your left atrium. Once in your left atrium, the oxygen-rich blood is almost ready to travel around your body. Your left atrium then sends this blood through your mitral valve into your left ventricles. This is the last stop within the 4 chambers of your heart. Your left ventricle actively pumps the blood through your aortic valve so it can travel throughout your body. Incredibly, this process repeats with every heartbeat.